My people, if we will not talk anything concerning things where they happen for Enugu, I don't know how our body go be. Do you know the amount of people wey Fulani? This one no be yawu Fulani. This one na real Fulanis for Enugu. And we come dey get kepu say e be like say these people wan install their emir or one of their emir that they call am for inside Enugu state. If this one happen, oh, na be say we Igbos don finish oh. My people, I go play on the video. More na hear the woman of Enugu as they tell they cry, give the general public, say this thing done too much. Say they don't to buy their loved ones for inside Enugu. And I will also play you another video. May you hear the how Igbo leader waka go the meet doing with the Fulani. What we say they don't forget who the Fulanis really are. When you give them opportunity, they don't enter. We say they don't enter. Now play the two video, may you watch before we come back and continue. Stay tuned.
This is happening live in issues of local government. I humble for parts. Upon issues of the issues that we are going hungry. They are sleeping with our women. After sleeping with them, they will use stick under their vigil, which is very bad. When in the government of Enugu State. Our farm settlements occupied. The one buying a zippo. The one on the Mayo. The one on the Mayo behind a bed. The one ever to find a bed. Witness. I do not idea. Yet you bought them 2 million naira. 1 million si can idea. The one here join a man with this also an idea. And then you know when one you get Kita. The one yahu. Not in and that's your Shinike. Not in a kita native Mabea. Can you Fulani with an one? They are crying. Government of Enugu State, you don't know why.
The Sultan of Sokoto and President Nigeria's Supreme Council for Islamic Affairs says the visit by the Enugu monarch is the best way to promote peaceful coexistence, mutual respect, and certain relationships among the country's diverse ethnic and religious groups. He explains it will create room for traditional leaders to engage in dialogue and exchange ideas towards harmonious and inclusive society. He notes that Nigeria's diversity is a divine will and should be harnessed for the greater good. The Sultan expressed the belief that such visits can dispel negative perceptions among Nigerians and promote a sense of unity and understanding.
I've always been an advocate of understanding one another, not tolerating one another. We must respect our cultures and tradition. Don't think your own culture or tradition is better than another person. No. It's very important for us to visit.
The Chairman Council of Traditional Rulers in Enugu State, Igwe Sir Samuel Ikechukwu, said he was in Sokoto to bring a message of love from his state. He appreciated the rich history of the Caliphate and promised to return home with positive thoughts about Sokoto State and its people. During his visit, the monarch also toured the Waziri Generic Culture and History Bureau in Sokoto, where he gained valuable insights into the state's rich cultural heritage.
It will bring understanding, it will bring love, bring understanding among races. And now I have a different concept about how we can relate intertribally.
The visit by the Enugu monarch to Sokoto is seen as a significant step towards fostering greater understanding and cooperation among traditional leaders across Nigeria and promote national cohesion. In Sokoto, Usman Mohammed Benji, NTA News.
My wonderful people, you don't see am. We get problem wey dey for our hand, and now they don't shift the problem, their own problem of these governors. Na IPOB sit at home. Na be their own problem. Why be say the main enemy dey wait for us for inside Biafra land? So my people, una don see as e take dey happen for inside Enugu. Now we say mo bring a caution. Abeg, make una make sure say una dey share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section.